Changing your verification method on Spotify can help enhance your account security and ensure you have access to your account. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Spotify app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner, and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on it to view your current verification methods and options. Step 4. Choose a new verification method. Select the option to change your verification method. You may have choices such as email, SMS, or an authenticator app. Choose the one you prefer. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new verification method. This may involve confirming your identity through a code sent to your new method. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Regularly check your security settings to ensure your account remains secure.